Hi friends, today we are going to see how we can install Service Compass in Snowflake account. So for this, there is no prerequisite that you need this edition or that edition. Any edition can work with Service Compass. So simply go on the marketplace and search for Service Compass. Take a couple of seconds. You can see Kipi Service Compass Discovery module. Click it over here. You will see that all the details are there like any other native app. You get all the things in one single page. You just need to click on the get and the app will get installed in your Snowflake account. But there are certain prerequisites which you have to take care of that. So you need to take care of certain prerequisite setup. So I will show you those prerequisite setup. So let me just quickly go into data, sorry, data projects, worksheet, service compass. So if you come here, then you can see that I have to create some working database for this service compass. I am creating one database and couple of tables and then one procedure. Once we are done with creation of this object, then we will just execute these two procedures to get everything done. So I'm just going to copy this and execute all the things at a single time. You can see on the left hand there is nothing. Now if I refresh, you will see that the database will come, right? And you can see that the three tables will get created under the public schema. Cost TB, show object, and print. And these three objects, read-only privilege will be required during the app setup. So let it be created. It will take a couple of seconds more. So this will just allow us or enable us to get the app setup smoothly. So this is the prerequisite. If you don't do this, you will start facing errors inside the application. So I think there is some issue. Okay, let me just quickly go. Okay, all right. This is by my mistake. All right, let me just execute this again. Unknown Kipi Service Compass. All right, so this will not get execute because this will get only execute when we install the app. Sorry, my bad. So till this execution, we have to till this step we have to execute, and this we will do once we have the app ready. So we'll go on the marketplace. We'll come here. We'll search for Service Compass. Sorry. Okay, Service Compass. We'll click here. We'll click on get. You can use any warehouse. I'm using Compute Warehouse, which is default in my account. I'm just going to do this and then get. It will take a couple of seconds and then it will get installed. So you can see that it says like after install email will send to this number. We'll close this. Uh, and once your app is installed, you will come here and you will see the app over here. So at the moment it says like installing. Version is 2.0 and it's getting installed. And the moment it will get installed, it will create a separate application database in your Snowflake account. So hopefully it will take around 1 minute or so, and then it will be done. So while it is doing, let me just go on the data tab and just refresh. So you can see that a database has been created in this. This is an application database, native app application database, which is being used by the app. You can't do anything over here. There are a couple of things which is created as part of this application, but you will not able to see anything because those are hidden. But the moment everything is done, I will start doing the setup. So let me just go back and see if it's done. No, it's taking time. So okay, so now it is done. Now if I click over here, it will start spanning the warehouse behind the scene and will start the Streamlit app, the native app, Snowflake. So it will start asking for now all the access which I just showcased you in the README file. So it will pop up in a moment, any moment. So it says like please refer to the README file to create, and then it pop up. So what all I need? I don't need any access to your application or business data. What I need is the access to the Snowflake database. So imported privilege on database Snowflake. I need a privilege to create a warehouse. I need to execute a task. I need to manage the warehouse and execute the managed task. and these are required to run couple of activity inside the network. But there is nowhere I need any privilege on any of your business application. So uh, be assured that we are not looking into the business or application data. It's purely on the metadatabase. So we will just say grant privilege, and then it will go and again ask the, as I said, like the select privilege or the view privilege on the all the three tables. So it says like on the show object table, it needs access. So I will come here, I will click here, I will click here, and show object, I will click here, and I will say done. And then I will save. It will again pop up me for the other two object as well. So it will take a couple of seconds to complete this 20 dB. Okay, 20 dB. Here you go. Done. Save. And one more pop up again. So now it's asking for cost TV. I will come here. I will click here, and this and done. And I'm done now. So now if you see here, it will refresh the entire screen and put me on the landing page of Service Compass. So it will take a couple of seconds to get it refreshed because it is checking behind the scene, it is checking for all the privilege in the necessary setup. If everything looks okay, it will just spun the landing page. So now here you go, you can see that the landing page of Service Compass has been launched. So you can see that this is the discovery module or discovery app. A brief description of the discovery module you can see on the screen, and all the key feature of all the major modules are there. So that's all about the installation. And now if you click on anything, you will start able to work. We will cover the detailed video on the different modules in a separate video. Thank you.